Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 1. Moving Expenses. In this chapter, we will examine the various expenses that a taxpayer may deduct because of a job-related move. We will look at who can deduct moving expenses, which expenses are deductible, and how reimbursements affect such deductions. We will also review special rules for retirees, survivors, and members of the armed forces. To claim a moving expense deduction, a taxpayer must file Form 3903, Moving Expenses.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.